hustle.
What the heck? Welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes.
It's 3 AM in the morning and and we're all tired.
It's definitely
we
not
all
3 a.m.
we don't know what we're doing, but Nathan,
He might be tired, I'm not. I'm full of energy. I can't wait. It's only like, it's not even 8 o'clock yet, but it's almost there. Today we're taking my E30 back to the panel beater. Long story short, there's a few more things that I want to get done before I seal the deal and get the car like private and painted and stuff. So I've decided to take it back to the panel beater all the way in Hamilton, and so now we're picking up a vehicle that can tow that vehicle.
exactly,
A
Nathan.
vehicle that can tow the vehicle.
What is it? Is it a van? Is it a truck? Is it a...
Oh, you just wait.
The things we do, you know, with cars are just so impossible sometimes. You like have to operate on like 0 hours of sleep and can still get the job done, but boom. So we just arrived at the place that we're going to be picking up the car that we'll be using to tow the E30 down. I'm going to be driving Nathan's car back. The question is though, what is this car that Nathan's been talking about? Oh no. What in the world?
Nathan, it's an Evo van.
It is.
It's an Evo van, Nathan.
Really art.
And it's a manual. Bro, this is an Evo van. Look at this. This is cool. So what did the dyno that, Nathan?
Not a lot. Let's do it. It's petrol, but it is manual. Hopefully, it can tow my car. These are workhorses, so well, let's find out. L300!
I just arrived home waiting for Nathan. I don't know who did the alignment on this car, on this E36 that Nathan owns, but it is awesome. It is, yeah, it's really good. Whoever did it did a really good job. Here we are in the Evo van, and
We
Nathan,
need to give it a name. We need to give it a name. The Evo van, okay.
call it the Evo van.
Simple as that.
We found out that well, it's a great car. It's got some great power, but it actually great power. Like, what am I talking about? There is actually no place inside of, well, the inside, Nathan, to put anything. Like, all my things are just next to me. There's sliding around like a little hole over here, but nothing fits in it.
Oh, bro, where's your wallet?
Whoa!
It slipped off the seat.
No, it got thrown off the seat by someone.
I didn't, bro. Look at this. Just everything you put on this seat.
This is the most useless car ever. Horrible weather here in Auckland, Nathan.
Perfect weather.
Well, we got the trailer hooked up at the back.
We do.
You can't see anything.
Trailer's
back there,
all
but
hooked up.
It is hooked up. Nathan, we have to push this car onto the trailer in the rain.
We do, and the car is probably going to fill up with water like a fish tank, but that's okay. It will be wet, but it's okay.
I don't think it would fill up because there's so many holes in it. Nathan, the question is, what would you do with $7 million?
Cars, buy cars, all cars.
What kind of car would you get?
I would get lots of cars.
You know what I'd get?
What?
A Sylvia S14.
Yeah. Hey, JD, how cool would it be if we had the Sylvia S14?
That would be pretty cool, Nathan.
That would be pretty cool. Ready? Full power! Maybe I'll put the winch on, that would help, eh? Yeah, we forgot to put the winch on. That's why we're having so much trouble, because we're rookies.
What'd you do, Nathan?
Well, there's a winch. We'll put that on, eh? And that'll help us quite a lot, eh? Bye! That's my mum. Oh! I'm sliding! Handbrake! Alright, we're now good to go.
Whoa, whoa. Is the handbrake on the van on?
Wait, Nathan, do you have a piece of block?
We've got a handbrake. Why?
Van's rolling.
We just need something behind the wheels of the van because it's slipping.
Is it slipping?
Yeah.
Mate, drop the
That'll
e-brake.
protect our van from running away. Now we are ready. Keep going, more, as far as it'll go. Alright, that's good. Stop. That's good. We did it. We did it.
What a bad angle.
Give me a high five. We did this. I just need a bacon egg McMuffin right now.
There it is, E30 all locked on and strapped down onto the trailer. Excited to get this on the road. Let's go! To the Tron we go, Nathan! To the Tron we go! Are you sure we're allowed to park here?
It said camper van parking, so this is pretty much a camper van.
So we kind of just parked up now and there's all these awesome cars are showing up at the gas station, which is really cool. Just Jaguars, look at that. It's amazing.
Made it to the food stop. Shout out to Dexter and Ruben, the pros, for helping us today.
Very exciting. We kind of made it down the road a fair while and it seems to be still holding up, which is pretty good. How good a car try is that? Especially if you have a broken E30. When an E30's never broken.
Before we got food, we noticed that there's a whole lot of Porsches here. So they're having a driver's meeting, but we're gonna have a cheeky geese from a distance, you know, because you got to.
Porsches everywhere. That's weird, bro.
Dexter,
How's it?
where's the car, bro?
It's not here, bro.
Where is it, bro?
It's getting its repairs done.
We have successfully dropped off the car for the second time. This is the second time, we didn't film the first time. It's just getting some more work done. And we thought we might as well get it all done properly before getting the paint done, so.
Nathan, how did they know? Yeah, that's the kilogram rating. How do they know? Is that even the kilogram rating? Who knows?
I don't even know.
Who knows?
Somebody tell us.
But 777,
Tier 777, bro.
777,
It's a
man.
plane.
10
It's a
cents.
Boeing.
What's going on?
Oh,
All
come
right.
on. Did you get some juice, bro?
Yeah, bro, I got some Honest Fizz.
Please tell us why you chose the Honest Fizz.
I don't know.
All right, we're hitting the road. We're back off to Auckland. We had a few delays this morning, so it's gonna be a hard and fast get there. And yeah, it's good. JD's washing our van, making sure it looks fresh to death. Ruben stepped in some poo and brought it into the van.
You guys make the best juice. If you guys are watching this, well, Nathan.
Sponsor us!
Yeah, exactly.
I need vitamins in my body.
Whoa, look at these rocks, bro. These rocks are crazy. Here we go. Auckland. Let's go. Auckland.
Go!
Auckland, Nathan, Auckland.
Let's go!
We want to make a shout out to everyone that lives in Hamilton. Nathan.
Yes.
How many people do you think watch our videos that are from Hamilton?
Definitely more than 5. We love you, Hamilton.
We love you, Hamilton.
Hamilton, thank you for fixing the rust in my car. Our van made it!
There it is, Nathan. The E30 is back where it was. It will be getting some more work done to it.
Yes, there was a few things that I was like, okay, sweet, we need to get it sorted 100% before we go on to the next stage, which is sanding it down and painting and primer and paint and everything. So decided to send it back, get some more work done to it, and he reckons it could be a few months. So hopefully we'll get it back real soon, and I'll have an update video for you. I know it's been so long, as soon as possible.
Always more work to do on an E30, but
always things breaking.
it's gonna get sorted. We're so ready to kind of put that car back together. Can't wait for it, Nathan.
Absolutely.
It's so cool.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's more of a vlog style video. We like to try new things here on Those Carded, so let us know what you think of it in the comments. Maybe some things that you would like to see. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.
Sweet guys, well make sure you guys check out all our other videos, like us on Facebook. We do have a Facebook page.
Yes,
and
we
make
do.
sure you follow us on Instagram as well.
Follow that. We do heaps of stories. Hit that sub button.
We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
To show you how to unblock the drain holes coming from your sunroof, but not just the ones you can see, the ones that maybe aren't visible at all and really hard to get to as well.